Hello everyone, my name is Abrar. This is the introductory video on the Photoshop CC. You will learn the whole Photoshop with me in different videos. Basically, this is a whole series of the tutorials. It might be 10 to 20 videos where you will learn the complete Photoshop from start to end. In those whole series of the videos, I will discuss the top navigation of the Photoshop, tools, how to use them, properties, layers, adjustments, and channels. I will also teach you that how to play with the dashboards, how to create different files for different purpose, such as photos, print, art and illustration, web, mobile, film, and videos. Please do not forget to subscribe for my upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this. In next video, I will teach you that how to play with this dashboard and how to set the workspace. Again, I am repeating that please do not forget to subscribe for the upcoming videos. Thank you very much.